Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here with Axion with our 11th gen Honda Civic. And today we're going to change out to the new PRL reservoir overflow tank. Pretty simple. I don't even think we need to even do a video, but we might as well. Show you guys it's a couple bolts and a hose on here. So let's dig in. Alright, so on the unboxing, you're just going to take this out. I'll give you this. It's going to go in there basically to adapt the OEM hose, and you've got the two, I believe they're 10 millimeter on the lower half, and you just swap it in and out. Alright, so already pulled this out. You can see the hose still attached, coolant in there. This bracket just slides down on your bracket. There's your two 10s. You take those out and swap in this. Good to go. All right, guys, so we took out the red. You can see this goes in here. Make sure you use the gasket that's on here, or else you're gonna have a nice little leak. All right, guys, so it's all installed. Obviously, I'm on the Has Sports, so basically this mount should actually kind of be level with there. I just put it on top. It does create a little gap on the bottom down here. But everything fits perfect. So I hope you guys like it. One thing I got from PRL is this does not work with the CVT models. So only 6-speed, so SI and Sport Touring guys. There's the vacuum pump for the CVT trans in the way here, so this will not work for you guys. Anyways, I'll leave a link below. We've got them in stock. It's just a nice little get rid of that gross white plastic that eventually turns color after a while. PRL again with the goods. I hope you guys like the video. Like and subscribe. Till next time.